Start your holiday shopping early and save on one of our newest Beauty Busters. Our new Clinical Strength and Clean Starter Kit is perfectly packaged, a gift for yourself or someone else, and it includes our Clinical Strength and Clean line, which means advanced treatments, so more advanced than something over the counter.
Tested by dermatologists.
Dermatologists tested and approved, and perfectly sized. They're about a 1-week supply, and you'll see results early as 2
weeks just from that package.
Yeah, so experience our new retinol, our vitamin C, our cleanser, our new moisturizer, again, at a great savings this week. Shop hhscience.com, or you can shop direct from this video with our Facebook shop, or you can call us or stop in any of our boutique locations.